Hi, this is Alex. Today I'm gonna be introducing a Vue UI library, which is Vant. Vant is a Vue UI library for mobile web apps. If we search it by Vue Mobile UI Library, we can see Vant in the tab result. But unfortunately, if we search the Vant UI, try to get introducing about it, there's nothing about it, even in Chinese version. By the way, Vant come from a Chinese company, which specialize in provide online shopping developed service. So, the Vant UI library provide a lot of components about online shopping, just like this business component. We can see the card, the compound. Oh, it's Chinese. The address list. Okay. Next step, let we just try to figure it out how to use it. First of all, let we just create a Vue project. Okay. In this video, I only provide the Vue 3 with composition syntax. So we don't provide any code about options or Vue 2, okay? So we create a Vue project with a Vue official scaffold. The project name is Vant UI. We don't need TypeScript to ensure that programs at all levels can understand what I'm doing. We don't need anything about Vue ecosystem. Okay, enter the project, then open it with my VS Code. Before we start to use Vant, we just quick delete all the useness files. Just like the pro-defined components, the app view, delete all the code, then we bring it up with my snippet. We just use JavaScript, don't need TypeScript. Okay, and delete all the CSS file. We don't need to write any CSS files at all. Okay, then copy this command line, paste it. After install the Vant, we need to, in the usage part, the first usage option is import all the CSS and all the components we need manually. That's horrible, right? Just imagine that if you need many components from Vant, then you need import every component just like this. That's horrible. So I recommend the second option, import on demand. First of it, we need bring this command line in our terminal, install Vue bit config, then the bit config part in there. We need to config our plugin. Copy this import statement in the vidconfig.js, paste it, and copy all the plugin in there. Okay. Now we finish it. Then we can use all the components without any manually import like this. That's great, right? So the first components of it should be nav. We can search like this, nav bar. Okay, we got it. Then the right side we can see the nav bar components. and left side is exactly code. We can use like this, the basic usage. Just copy it. Before to use it, we need to create app layout view component to organize all of our components instead of put all the components in one file. I don't like this way. So create the structure, paste it. Okay, then bring our app layout in app view, then import the component just like this. Run the app. Okay. Oh, I didn't delete the import. Okay, then we got a very easy way to create a mobile app, right? So we can customize our navbar just like this. We can set the left text added in the navbar component. Back to our website, we can get the left text. Very easy. All the options about every component, you can find it in API part. Every component provides this API part, just like the sidebar. The sidebar also provides the API part, so you can find all the options about prompts, about events. So we can customize our components by the API docs. Just like this, we can set right text. Paste it. We can set our right text to refresh, right? Refresh. Okay. Then we can provide the click right event handler. Copy this, paste it, and it's event, so we use wait on direction. Before to do that, we need to define a method, which is refresh. This function only refresh all the page. Okay, then back to our app, click the refresh button. Before that, we enter the network. Check the left, click. Okay, we just get the refresh. That's cool. Then we can provide the dark scene and light scene switch in our navbar. Before to do that, we need to back to the top, find the config provider. Let me see. Oh, it's there. Basic components, config provider. In there, we can see how to set up our dark mode or how to switch theme. Just like this. Copy this in our app view. Then bring all the components into the inside our config provider. In there, we can provide a function, toggle, theme. Okay, then we need to define a variable. The variable is theme or current theme. Which should be light, right? Which should be light default. The toggle theme method need to toggle the current theme like this. Okay. Copy that. Then the toggle theme need to trigger in the navbar, right? So we need pass the toggle theme as prompts into our app layout, we use vbind. The untoggle scene, toggle scene. Enter app layout. We need to define prompts. We just use array untoggle scene. Okay, we set it as the event handler for the click left. That's easy. Okay, so let me try it. How can it be work? Oh, okay. Just ignore the left text normally. Oh, we get error. It should be toggle scene. Okay. Oh, it should be value. I missed it. Click this. Okay. We got the same toggle. That's easy, right? So we just need to replace the left text. We can do it like this. Prompts, then import computed from our view core. Current scene icon equals computed. The current scene icon, I think it should depends on the current scene, right? So we need pass the current scene as prompts, then receive it in our app layout. Current scene. Okay, in there prompts dot current scene. If it's equals the light, then return the sum mark. We open the emoji selector. Okay, in the emoji selector, I search light. I select a sun. Then I need a moon. Select this. It should be a string. Okay, just like this. Current scene icon. I bind it in the left text. Current scene. Okay, just like this. Oh, it should be return, I think. Just like this. Current scene item. Okay, now it's a light mark. I click, it switched to moon. That's great. Okay, next part, we need a button tab. We search tab bar in there. It's just next with our navbar. Okay, in the basic usage, we also need to paste it in the app layout. Then it need to provide a variable in our tab bar. So I need to define it. Before it, also import our ref. I just leave it in the button. Active. By default, it should be a number. But if we can provide the name attribute of tab bar, the active can be a string. If we provide the name attribute, the active is related with the name attribute, so it should be a string. If we not provide the name attribute, it should be a number. It related to the tab bar's index. I think it's very easy to understand, right? But we don't need so many stuff. Okay, back to there. Oh, we got 2 tab bar on the bottom. That's easy, right? Even I toggle same button, it can be work for the bottom tab. That's very easy, right? So all the progress, we don't need to write any CSS file. You don't need to know any CSS technology. You just need to know how to write Vue, how to import the Vant components. Then you can build a very brilliant, very great mobile app layout, even provides a dark theme toggle. That's very easy, right? Even it's not very easy to custom all the components. It's not flexible just like SharCN because it provides a lot of components with predefined styles. If you want to adjust all the styles with Vant UI, I don't think it's a very good idea. If you are a CSS master, I think the SharCN should be a best part or best choice. Okay, if you like this video, please give it a like. If you want more UI Lab crash intro, please subscribe and share this video. Thanks for watching. I'm Alex. See you next time.